In this video, I'm excited to share with you this scholarship opportunity in the United Kingdom that gives you the opportunity to study any subject of your choice at the Oxford University. This scholarship is open to all international students from all around the world. It covers the tuition fees, monthly stipend of £1,515, visa cost, health insurance, flight tickets, and many more. I would also be sharing with you some insights of what you need to have to enable you gain this scholarship. So please consider watching this video till the end to get all the vital details. Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also like and share this video with your family and friends. This wonderful scholarship is called the Rhodes Scholarship. The Rhodes Scholarship enables outstanding young people from all around the world to study at the University of Oxford. The application process is explained as you navigate through the pages. So the first is to click on the Rhodes Scholarship. Let's see what it covers. The Rhodes Scholarship is a fully funded full-time postgraduate award which enables talented young people from all around the world to study at the Oxford University. Rhodes Scholars come to the UK for 2 or more years and can apply to study most full-time postgraduate courses offered by the Oxford University. Let's see what the scholarship covers. The Rhodes Scholarship covers Oxford University course fees as well as providing an annual stipend. The amount for the stipend is £18,180 per annum, which is £1,515 per month, which will be covering your living expenses, including your accommodation. And here it says this is not sufficient to cover partners or dependents. The duration that it covers depends on course choice. For example, up to 3 years of fees and stipends is available to scholars who choose to undertake a DPhil, a Doctor in Philosophy at Oxford University. It would also cover the fee of a student visa and the international health insurance surcharge, as well as 2 economy class flight tickets to and from the UK for the beginning and end of studies in Oxford. And here it says, on arrival in Oxford, scholars will receive a settling-in allowance, and for scholars who transition to a second course of study in Oxford, they would again receive assistance to cover the fees for visa renewal and further application for the insurance. So let's check the eligibility criteria. So I'm going to click on number 3. We're going to come to number 2 later. So for you to find out if you're eligible for this particular scholarship, go through their eligibility criteria check. And this simply means you're going to enter your country. For example, I'm going to enter in Nigeria. And once you enter your country, you click on check your eligibility. Right now, it says that you're going to be going through this eligibility check by answering the following questions that are up to 6 questions, either with a yes or a no. This particular scholarship is grouped into constituencies, so depending on your country, they would tell you your constituency. So once I entered Nigeria, it told me my constituency is West Africa, and the second step is your nationality or citizenship. Are you a citizen of one of these countries? The step 3 is your education and residency. Have you been resident in one of these countries? I would say yes. The step 4 is the age criteria. So please do well to read through this age criteria. Make sure you're within the age bracket. And once you are within the criteria, you simply say yes. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. And the step 5 question says your academic achievements. Once you have completed your undergraduate degree and you meet the requirements, you click on yes. And the step 6 is about English language criteria. And for you to find out more about that, I'm going to click on this link. Let's have a look. Regarding the English language proficiency, it says here that you do not need to provide evidence of English language proficiency if you meet one of the following criteria. If your first language is in English and you have been a citizen and living in an English-speaking country recognized by the UK visa, or you are a current Oxford student applying for readmission. If your country is listed in any of these countries here, that means you are exempted. Otherwise, you have to provide a language proficiency test. You can also apply for English language test waiver if you meet any of these criteria. If you have completed or are currently completing a degree level course that is full-time or at least 9 months in duration, where teaching is completely done in English, or based on substantial professional experience. So if you have worked for a minimum of 2 years in a majority English-speaking country, you can also apply for that. Please do well to check this out to also know if you are eligible for a waiver. Once you meet the English language criteria, you click on yes and then you click continue. Based on my answer, I'm eligible to apply for the Rhodes Scholarship, and now I'm going to click on find out more here. Notes me to the West African Constituency Scholarship. So there are 2 Rhodes Scholarships available each year for West African. So these are the countries that are eligible to apply in these constituencies. And the opening date is 1st of June until the 28th of September 2023. Basically, this is a global scholarship. So almost all countries are represented. All you have to do is to make sure that you go through the eligibility check so that you can be in the right constituency. And right here it says, to ensure that you have all the information you need to apply, please read the information for candidates. So these are all important links that you have to download to read them carefully. Each constituency should have their own document, so be sure that you are in the right constituency. So I'm going to click on this link to see the information for West African candidates. So this is the information for West African candidates. So these are the countries here. So ensure that your country is listed here. It says this information is for candidates applying to the 2024 Rhodes Scholarship through the West African constituency for entry in October 2024 to the University of Oxford in the United Kingdom. And here are the key dates. It says the application opens Thursday, the 1st of June 2023, and the application closes on the 28th of August. So please be aware. On the other overview website here, it says 28th of September 2023. So this date might be an inclusive date with other constituencies. But if you're applying specifically to West African constituency, you're going to be submitting latest on the 28th of August 2023. And the reference deadline is also the Monday, 28th of August. And these are the eligibility criteria one more time. Please do well to go through it. How to apply. So for you to apply, you must complete and submit online application form latest on the 28th of August 2023. And please be aware that there is no application fee for submission of this particular scholarship. However, you must submit your application online and they cannot accept any other form of application. And importantly, please note, you should apply for the Rhodes Scholarship before applying for your proposed course at the University of Oxford. Candidates selected for Rhodes Scholarship are then required to apply for their chosen course via the University of Oxford's graduate application form with the support from the team at Rhodes House. So please, first of all, make this application, and once you get selected, you'll be informed of the next step. If unsuccessful in your first application, you may subsequently reapply only once more at the same constituency, subject to meeting the eligibility criteria. And this is what you need for the application: your details such as contact information, evidence that you meet the eligibility criteria, your education history including your university transcript, the courses you would like to study at University of Oxford, a CV, an academic statement, a personal statement, and a total of 4 to 6 referees. And when you scroll down, these are key documents. So here they fully explained all that you need to know regarding all this information that you are expected to submit. So here you can read through carefully to see what it means that you're submitting different documents. So it's fully detailed here. Take your time and go through this. Importantly, I would like to show us how you can choose your course from the University of Oxford. So this is a list. It says A to Z list of graduate courses. I'm going to click on this link. Basically, this is the University of Oxford website where you're going to be selecting your courses, and here you can filter based on anything. You can filter, for example, based on full-time, based on taught, research, or combined program, and you can filter based on your department. So do well to search for your course that interests you, because you would be filling this in the application form. And if you need more support regarding the West African constituency, you can get in touch via email to this particular email address here and this contact person. And if you have any further questions regarding this document or website, you can also get in touch at this particular email address here. So for you to see the courses covered by the Rhodes Scholarship for the West African constituency, I'm going to click on this link here. To enable you pick correctly the right course for your constituency, you need to read through this particular form to see the courses that you can select, and also to look through the exemptions and see the courses which you are not eligible to select from this constituency. So do well to go through this form. Once you're ready to make this application, all you have to do is to click on Apply Now. So it automatically brought me to this site for the application. If you don't already have an account here, all you simply have to do is to click on register. And you fill in your details like so, you click register. And now it brought me to this page, which is Rhodes Scholarship 2024. You have to first of all answer this preliminary screen check. And here you accept the terms and conditions. So once you put in your constituency, it asks you for your country, and now you can see that it's already up to 60%. And here you put your date of birth. And once you put in your date of birth, it goes on to ask you the date you completed the undergraduate program, and as well as your nationality, the number of years you've stayed in different countries, and it goes on and on, your GPA, your final grade. So I think this is going to be peculiar to each person. So please do and go through it and answer all the questions as honest as possible. At the beginning of this video, I made mention of giving you some insight of what you need to know. So this is very important when you want to make this application. You don't have to know a special handshake or have a family connection. You only have to be passionate about the subjects you want to study, have an outstanding performance, character, leadership, and commit to service. This means that you should be ready to work together to achieve a positive change. That is all what Rhodes Scholarship is all about. Do well to go through the selection criteria to understand more, but here there are several myths about this scholarship. That is for the elite, it's for those that are sporty, it's for geniuses, and all of these myths are all false. So please do well, take your time, go through this video so that you can understand all of these and be sure that you give yourself the best shot to apply to this scholarship. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.